Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will make yet another 10 links. We'll go through all of the URLs, first with the slides, then I'll show you the sites, and we'll cover the Moz metrics as far as DA, PA, and spam score. All right, so let's get right into it. This is going to be the first slide. Then we'll go to the next slide. And let's go ahead and get to the sites. So this is OpenStreetMap. What you will want to do is go ahead and sign up. You're able to go ahead and create a map and then also put a link in on the map to your site. I actually showed this utilizing a Harvard variation. There are other variations. If you go in and start looking at maps, you can find some extras. So that's a helpful tip for you. Next, or number 2, is going to be huntingnet.com. This is a forum. You can register here. It's a DA49. Next is Trello. You can create Trello boards. Very renowned website. DA91, 3% spam score, so very well-known site. Fourth site is Triber.com. It's a DA55. You can register here. All right. Then you can walk through. You'll have to verify, of course. Let's move right into AuthorStream.com, which is a DA86, 13% spam score. All right, so you will want to sign up. It's in the top right-hand side. Next is going to be instadebate.com. You can sign up here, and then this is what it looks like. You'll be able to create in your comments. You'll be able to create it there. All right. This is Behance. There's actually 2 portions of Behance. You can create your page. These are indexable. You can also create what is called a for your work. It's slipping my mind at this present moment. You know, you can list all your job history. I forget the name of it off the top of my head for some strange reason. Your resume. So you can create a resume, but then you also have this link, your profile. All right, so you get a double whammy here. They have a lot of cool stuff within here. You can create multiple link types, and they're on different URLs, so definitely take a look there. Next is bitcointalk.org. This is a DA86. All right, so this is a pretty good link here. I think it's a PHPBB, right? SMF. So definitely worth creating, and you can register. It's right here. Next is going to be cheapseeker.com. You can go ahead and join up here. All right, this is a DA36, 4% spam score. And last but not least for this list is rtsoft.com. So what you'll want to do here is, let's just see if we can get through here. I wonder if they took this over. Forum. So there you go. You can register on here. Let me just double check. DA52, 1% spam score. So there it is. You can go ahead and register right here. Okay, so that's going to wrap it up for this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next. I'll see you in there.